Yeah. Fuck. Hey. Yeah. I feel immense, lost in the sesh. I feel immense, lost in the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the. Looking for the dragon they chasing. Eyes roll back, still strapped to his vision. Wonder where the motherfucking days went to the same place with the pennies, so I'm patient. Yeah, lie back gently. Wouldn't know afford that the spaceman sent me. I'm a shell of a man running empty. Put me in the spotlight, did it, don't tempt me. Life at the glitz and the glamour. Yeah, hold on the grip of the dagger. Yeah, I hear they teeth as a child. Yeah, feeling the weight of the mind. Yeah, yeah. Can you feel that gravity? Cocaine by the nasal cavity. Sinner with the same old habit, and we hoping that he changes, but we know that he hasn't let raw. Don't care for anyone else. Leave all the things you can tell in yourself. Battling a war-torn mind, I'ma come cleaning like 4 more lines. So tell me, are you smelling that well? Are you smelling that well? Hey, cause I'm tasting success. Let the time pass, on pause to reflect. Cause I'm bored of the session, I'm caught in a mess, and I cannot come through with this talk in my head. I need rest, I need to go. And my best friend kinda went cold. I'm always a little scared whenever his name's mentioned. Scared whenever he's in a sentence. Cause we ain't really taught about the thoughts in his head, and I'm always kinda scared to hear my friends drifting. Weight's getting heavy, he ain't lifting. And I hate how I'm moving while he's sitting. And I hate how I'm focused on my vision when I know he isn't. Living, blooding, dropping all of the days it has been given. Lost in darkness, foot up in the grave that he's digging. Killing, hoping that I save him, I'm kidding myself. I feel a mess, lost in the sesh. I feel a mess, lost in the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the. Tell him don't look me in the eye in the middle of the night when I'm hidden from the light. Man, I hit you with a right, man, I hit you with a left. Don't come to the sesh, we run from our heads. We don't ever take time to ourselves to grow. We just wanna hide ourselves in the zone. We just wanna try do things on our own. We just some things we dogs to a bone, but I never wanna let them get it deeper than the skin. I don't take a second, take a minute where I've been. I don't feel no better, kid, the devil trying to win. Trying to cool inside my mind, let the dance coming in. Try and feel that boy. Running this shit, man, it's Jimmy the King. Couple of stacks, got a dime on my ring. Couple of yats in the back of the bin. Duffel bag stacked with the weight of the sin. Hey, I just took my money, made that shit all with the gang. I'm just pulling honeys, I'm in Dunny finna slang. I'm with MRG, we paved the way straight to the bank. Putting in the work, shit gets tougher than my hands. Tougher than my hands, I ain't fucking with the Zans. Tougher than my hands, pouring acid on these tabs. Filling up the bags with some gum straight from Japan. Filling up the bags, trying to stack it while I can. I feel a mess, lost in the sesh. I feel a mess, lost in the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the. I feel a mess, lost in the sesh. I feel a mess, lost in the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the sounds of the sesh. I hear the.
I feel a mess, lost in the sesh. I feel a mess, lost in the sesh. I feel a mess, lost in the sesh. I feel a mess, lost in the sesh.
That was fucking sick.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Sick.